Well, hello there. Welcome to the week 2 overview. Well, last week you were introduced to the nature of data. So at this point, you should be able to distinguish between numerical and categorical variables. And you'll see why, starting even this week, why that's an important skill to do. Because this week you're going to be learning how to both examine and present data distributions in picture form through the use of graphs. Right, and so knowing whether or not your data distribution is numerical or categorical, you will see determines which graphs you can actually use. You might recall last week we talked about that there's basically three things that we're looking for anytime we're attempting to examine a data distribution. We're looking for what the shape of that distribution is. Is it one mound or multiple mounds? We're trying to find the center of that distribution. And finally, we're trying to get a feel for how different the scores are, right? The spread, if you will, of the distribution. Right? And so that's something that you'll learn that you can actually find using graphs. You're going to be introduced to the first of many graphs, actually, that we're going to be covering in this class. And so there are basically four that I want you to focus on: the histogram, stem and leaf plot, the bar chart, and the pie charts. But each week we'll be adding to that list of graphs that you'll learn how to do. And so this week, please watch the lecture in addition to read the textbook. Also, you'll want to watch the StatCrunch tutorial, which shows you specifically how to use the StatCrunch software to create these graphs. There will be an opportunity to discuss the contents of Chapter 2 in the discussion board. And as with last week, your initial post will be due Wednesday by midnight, with your subsequent posts due Sunday by midnight. And then finally, you will have a homework assignment in the MyStatLab homework vigil. And once again, keep in mind that you'll be able to use StatCrunch to do any kind of calculations that you need to do. Okay? As always, I'm here. Please feel free to email or call me. Take care.